Hi, in this video I will show you how to create your crypto wallet and MetaMask account and pair it with Uniswap decentralized exchange. Okay, go to MetaMask.io, click download, choose your browser here or click here, it will add extension automatically. Just wait for extension, click add to Firefox, wait to extension install, click add, click here that allow extension in private windows. Okay, got it. Oh, sorry, this is Uniswap, I will show you that later. Just wait for extension to be installed. Okay, it's here. Okay, you click to get started. You can to import wallet if you already have it, but now we will create new wallet. Click create new wallet, read everything here and just click I agree. Create your password. For this video I just create some password to show you, but I suggest you to create a long and strong password. When you finish that, click check this box that you are agree with term of use, then click create. Okay, this is your secret phrase. It's really important for you. Write down these 12 words, keep it safe on some piece of paper, because that is a access for your crypto wallet, and don't give to anyone these secret words. Okay, I will now show you. This is the complete new wallet and I don't use it. Click here. You see this is the 12 words. Just copy that, paste it in some text document, sorry, and click next. Now you need to put that words in specific order that is on your text document. Okay, fabric law embrace, you need to write it in specific order, that is all, and click confirm. Okay, that is all. You have a new crypto wallet. Click on all done. Also you can connect with a mobile, this account with mobile application. Just scan this QR code. Okay, your MetaMask wallet is ready, account and crypto wallet is ready. You need to deposit some Ethereum here. You're doing that in order to transfer it from another wallet or from another exchange that you have Ethereum. When you do that, you are ready to connect to Uniswap and buy some tokens and trade. This is your address. If you going to send some Ethereum to this wallet, just click here and paste this address to your other wallet and exchange from where you are sending Ethereum. Okay, when you finish that, go to uniswap.org, click use Uniswap. Just wait to load everything. Click connect wallet, and now choose MetaMask. Okay, it will show you your wallet here. Just click next, click connect, and that's it. Your wallet is now connected with Uniswap, and you are ready to buy or trade some tokens. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell for new videos.